Om Sai Ram. Today's Leela is related to experiences of Tarkhad family with Shirdi and Sai Baba. Once during Das Ganu's stay in Shirdi, he was called upon to give a performance in a village near Shirdi. Das Ganu Maharaj used to keep Baba's photo on a stool and used to garland the same before he began his kirtan. Of course, when conducted near Shirdi, he used to take Baba's blessings before proceeding. One afternoon he came to Dwarika Mai and informed Baba that in the evening he would proceed to perform the kirtan in a nearby village and hence he needed Baba's blessings. Baba told him that he was free to go but requested him to take Bhau, that is Mr. Jyotindra Tarkhad, along with him. Das Kanu said that he had no objection in taking along Mr. Jyotindra with him, but he would not like to deprive him of his ritual of lighting lamps in Dwarikamai in the evening. Hearing this, Baba said that he need not worry about Dwarikamai lamps as somebody else would attend to that task, but insisted that Dasganu should take Bhau along with him. Both Dasganu and Mr. Tarkhad understood that this was Baba's order. Then, as per the agreed time, they left in the evening for that village, which was around 7 to 8 kilometers away. In those days, there was no transportation facilities like today, so they had to go by walking. By the time they reached the village, the sun had already set. They unfolded the mats on the ground, kept the stool with Baba's photograph on it, and garlanded the same. They lighted the Petromax lamp and hung at four corners. Villagers had gathered and Dasganu Maharaj began his kirtan. After about an hour, when night had already set in, they encountered trouble. Around 7 to 8 people who were very dark complexioned, possibly from Bhil tribe, came over there. They were carrying a dead body over their shoulders and were on the way to cemetery to perform the last rites. Their leader straight came to Dasganu Maharaj and threatened him. He enquired about the photograph on the stool. Dasganu explained politely, stating that the photograph is of Sai Baba, who was stationed at Shirdi, and he worshipped him as his guru as well as his deity. He went on to state that Sai Baba gave medicines to poor people and relieves them from their agony. He was performing the kirtan which would bring happiness to the villagers. Then that Bhil leader told his people to keep the beer down and he addressed Dasganu, stating that if his deity is mighty, then it should be possible for the deity to bring back life into that dead body. He challenged him to do so, otherwise he would kill him and his troop. Dasganu was very scared and he approached Mr. Tarkhad seeking for his advice. Mr. Tarkhad had realized that this could be probably Baba's creation and they should plead to him only and invoke his mercy to come to their rescue. He suggested to Dasganu to perform his famous kirtan, Sai Raham Nazar Karna, Bachon Ka Palan Karna, and leave it to Sai to decide the rest. Then Dasganu began his popular kirtan and he got so much engrossed in that Mr. Tarkhad had never seen him in that state ever before. He was literally dancing and all the villagers were positively responding to him. Mr. Jyotindra was rather keeping a watch on the dead body. About an hour must have passed and something unprecedented happened. The life had returned to the dead body. It broke upon all the string tied around him and sat on the bier and started clapping and joined the kirtan along with the rest. Mr. Jyotindra was overjoyed to see that he got up from his place and went to Dasganu, who was no more himself because he was in trance. Mr. Jyotindra caught him with his both hands and told him to stop the kirtan. Baba had saved them from the fear of losing their own lives. The kirtan stopped. Those Bhils got up. They helped that dead body, which was no more dead then, to stand on his feet. They told him to bow to Dasganu and then made all detailed inquiry about Baba and promised to visit Shirdi for his darshan. Next day, when Dasganu and Mr. Jyotindra went to Dwarika Mai, Baba said, "Hey Ganya, good that my Bhau was there with you yesterday, otherwise who would have saved you from the wrath of Bhils? And hearing this, both of them told Baba that it was all his creation and they are totally dependent on him in situations like that, and he should continue to shower his mercy and blessings upon him. Bow to Shri Sai, peace to be all. Om Sai Ram.